The humble needle has a history that predates the wheel, and its evolution has been marked by tiny but significant innovations that have changed the course of human history. Imagine a time before needles, when every garment was painstakingly sewn together by hand, with threads often getting tangled and garments taking weeks or even months to complete. This labor-intensive process was the norm for thousands of years, with the earliest known needles dating back to around 40,000 BCE. These early needles were made from animal bones and thorns, with the first metal needles emerging around 3000 BCE in the Indus Valley civilization. But it wasn't until the invention of the sewing machine in the 19th century that needle technology underwent a revolution, making mass production of clothing possible. However, even with the sewing machine, the humble needle remained a crucial component, with its design continuing to evolve over the years. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that needles have also played a crucial role in medical history? With the first surgical needles emerging in ancient Egypt around 2000 BCE. These early surgical needles were made from copper and bronze, with the first steel needles being used in the 17th century. The development of disposable needles in the 20th century further transformed the medical landscape, making it easier for doctors to perform procedures with reduced risk of infection. But what makes needles so unique is their ability to be used in a wide range of applications, from sewing and surgery to crafting and even space exploration.
In fact, the needle has been taken to space, with NASA using specialized needles to repair damaged spacecraft and equipment.
And then something unexpected happened. The development of laser technology led to the creation of laser cutting needles that could precision cut materials with incredible speed and accuracy.
These laser cutting needles have revolutionized industries such as textiles, aerospace, and even food processing, opening up new possibilities for innovation and discovery.
Work their magic, and what makes them so possibilities for versatile. Let's take a closer look at the mechanism behind needle technology and explore the fascinating science behind these seemingly simple tools. The basic principle of needle technology is quite simple. A small, pointed object is used to pierce or cut through materials, often with the aid of a thread or wire. However, the actual process of creating a needle is far more complex, involving a range of materials and manufacturing techniques. For example, the development of high-carbon steel in the 19th century enabled the creation of stronger, more durable needles that could withstand the rigors of industrial production. And then there's the issue of precision, with needles being used in everything from surgical procedures to spacecraft repairs. Accuracy is crucial. To achieve this level of precision, manufacturers use advanced technologies such as computer-aided design and laser cutting to create needles with incredibly small tolerances. But what about the materials used to make needles? Are they really as simple as they seem? Specialized. The answer is no. Materials to reduce needles are friction, and often made from an improved range of performance materials, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. For example, titanium needles are lightweight and corrosion-resistant, making them ideal for use in medical and aerospace applications.
And then there's the issue of coatings. Some needles are coated with specialized materials to reduce friction and improve performance.
But that's not all. Some needles are even designed to be self-sharpening, with a unique geometry that allows them to stay sharp even after repeated use. And what about the impact of needle technology on society? Has it really made a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. Needles have played a crucial role in shaping the course of human history, from the development of clothing and textiles to the evolution of medicine and technology. In fact, the impact of needle technology can be seen in everything from the mass production of clothing to the development of new medical procedures and treatments. And it's not just about the technology itself. The social and cultural implications of needle technology have also been significant. For example, the development of needle technology has enabled the creation of new forms of art and craft, from embroidery and cross-stitch to quilting and patchwork. And then there's the issue of accessibility, with needles being used in everything from medical procedures to crafting and DIY projects. They've become an essential tool for people all over the world. So what does the future hold for needle technology? Will it continue to evolve and adapt to new challenges and opportunities?
The answer is yes. With advances in materials science, manufacturing technology, and computer-aided design, the possibilities for needle technology are endless.
And as we look to the future, one thing is clear: the humble needle will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the course of human history. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of needle technology? Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. And don't forget to like and comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery.